Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join a Telegram using a QR code on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your phone. Make sure the QR code is clear and centered on your screen. Point your camera at the Telegram group's QR code. When the camera detects the QR code, a notification banner will pop up at the top of your screen. Tap on that notification. Tapping the notification will open the Telegram app. Now you will see the invitation to join that group. Simply tap Join Group button. Now you are a member of group and can start chatting. If your camera doesn't scan the QR code, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you are on your own page, tap the settings option at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on settings, tap the icon at the top left of the screen. Here you can tap on scan QR code, point your camera to the QR code and follow the steps, and that's it. Joining a Telegram group through QR code on your phone is super simple. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.